Welcome to the Restaurant Startup Blueprint course, Plan for Success. This comprehensive course is designed to equip aspiring restaurateurs with the foundational knowledge and skills needed to successfully plan and launch a restaurant or food business. Covering essential topics from mindset and leadership to market research and financial planning, this course ensures participants are well prepared to turn their restaurant concept into a reality. Our course goals are threefold. First, to provide participants with a thorough understanding of the key components required to conceptualize and plan a successful restaurant. Second, to equip participants with practical tools and strategies for each phase of restaurant planning, from initial concept through to business plan development. And finally, to build confidence and readiness for the next steps in the restaurant launch process. By the end of this course, students will achieve several key learning objectives. They will develop an entrepreneurial mindset, cultivate the mindset necessary for success in the competitive food industry, and acquire leadership skills to manage and inspire teams. Students will also understand the factors that contribute to a successful restaurant, master negotiation and advocacy skills to support their restaurant's vision, and perform in-depth market research to select the optimal location for their restaurant. Additionally, they will create a unique brand identity, design an effective menu aligned with their brand and target market, and apply financial planning techniques, including food costs, labor costs, and budgeting. Finally, they will comprehend and address the legal aspects of starting a restaurant and construct a detailed business plan covering all strategic aspects of their restaurant. Assessment overview. Participants will be assessed through a combination of practical assignments, case studies, and a final project. Assessments will focus on applying course concepts to real-world scenarios, ensuring participants can effectively plan and develop their restaurant business. Assessment plan assignments. Weekly assignments related to each module's content, including market research reports, brand development exercises, and financial planning tasks. Case studies analysis of real-life restaurant scenarios to apply learned concepts and strategies. Final project, development of a comprehensive business plan that integrates all aspects covered in the course. All work should be original and properly cited. Plagiarism may lead to penalties. Course content is protected and intended for the student's exclusive use, with access granted for a lifetime. Schedule of activities, Module 1. Introduction to Mindset. Setup and Leadership. Module 2. Restaurant Success Factors and Advocacy for Yourself. Module 3. Market Research and Location Analysis. Module 4. Branding and Concept Development. Module 5. Menu Development and Financial Planning. Module 6. Legal Compliance and Business Plan. Creation Module 7. Final Project Preparation and Submission.